Docuware has the perfect solution to transform your accounts payable processes from beginning to end. See how simple it is to eliminate paper and automate your manual processes. The Docuware for Invoice Processing solution effortlessly stores, retrieves, and processes your documents for approval based on your business rules. Incoming paper documents can be scanned from a desktop scanner or a shared multifunction device. Emailed vendor invoices can be captured into Docuware directly from any email account folder. The power of the solution begins with intelligent indexing. Docuware captures the important information such as the vendor name, invoice number, and dollar amounts directly from the invoice. In the event of missing or misread data, just place your cursor on the index field and click on the appropriate data element on the invoice to automatically populate that field. With all your data indexed, the invoice is securely stored in the accounting file cabinet. Now the automatic workflow kicks off a validation process. Is the invoice a potential duplicate? Are the dollar amounts correct? Is the vendor pre-approved? Do you have the required documents? Docuware checks all the details, and in case of any discrepancies, a predefined exception handling identifies them in a timely manner. You can correct the invoice data, request a new invoice, reject the invoice, or more options. In the approval workflow, you can assign the invoice to a person, a cost center, or multiple cost centers for approval. The responsible colleague or colleagues are informed immediately and can approve the invoice directly on their PC, tablet, or smartphone, all while complying with approval limits. In addition, automatic emails, including delegated substitute approvers, are notified so that no task is ever late. The approved invoice is now ready for the completion process. Just enter the appropriate GL account coding assignments from the drop-down list in the table and confirm. That's all it takes. Docuware can also create a booking record from the GL transactions so that they can easily be posted to the ERP system. This process helps to eliminate duplicate data entries as well as greatly reducing errors. That's how fast and easy your accounts payable approval process can be with Docuware for Invoice Processing. The straight-through processes are even faster. Let's go back to the document tray and store an invoice that uses a straight-through process. In this case, the validation workflow determines if the invoice is a quick match based on the data in the vendor master file. Additionally, Docuware offers a three-way match that validates the corresponding purchase order and packing slip in the archive, then automatically compares the invoice amount against the purchase order for a straight-through process, and the invoice immediately goes to the completion step. With Docuware for Invoice Processing, you no longer need to worry about lost documents, late fees, and missed early payment discounts. All invoices are easily searchable, and a complete audit trail offers total transparency. You can start automating your accounts payable process with Docuware for Invoice Processing. The pre-configured cloud solution shown here is ready to use in just days.